Well, the zip's just closed. I think where I landed on it, the zip was closed and it won't thread through.
Yeah, that's what people say when they get fat. Right, I'll... It's been a while since I've made some content for this page, but don't worry, it's still going. It's very much alive. I just haven't had the time with focusing on work and the other pages I run as well. So I apologise for that, but I have bought this Fireblade. I bought it this time last year, actually, and I've bought it as an investment and for this page. But then I absolutely fucking dumped it, didn't I? Just taking it out for a maintenance ride. 2 seconds down the road, found some sort of false neutral and fell over. I'll go into more details about the damage later on. So there's some future content right there. And this was fucking immaculate before I dropped it. And as you saw, Ben, my trusty sidekick at the beginning, was off to take this to the MOT centre, which it actually fucking failed on due to a indicator in the back having the wrong colour bulb in, which is odd because it came with a fresh, like brand new MOT when I bought it. But whatever, that's going to get fixed soon. The CBR900RR that we've been trying to fix is still in pieces. We did, in fact, film a couple of bits putting it back together, but I've lost the footage of that, unfortunately. So we're going to pick it up again, and there will be more content on this because I really want to sort of focus on restoring this back to its prime. The carbs still haven't come off. Like I said, it's just been fairing changed. I bought this R6 for the channel to do up and then sell on as like a sort of mini-series kind of thing. But I lost the fucking footage for that, for this as well, which is kind of why I got disheartened with the channel. But I'm definitely going to be bringing this back to its glory, even though it's not going to be the full video. But if it does well, I'll do more like it. I'm also planning to do more reviews, so stuff like helmets, just bits of gear really, cheap bits of gear more than the expensive stuff, unless anyone's going to sponsor me and give me it. There's some little things that I really want to sort of review that I bought and I never ended up fucking using because they're shit, and I just think it'd be cool to review and give you my experience of using them. So that's just a quick update of stuff that I hope to get out. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick update. And yeah, if you like motorbikes and anything motorbike based, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more stuff. Not like this, because obviously this is an update video, but it's normally better than this, sort of. Not really, but still, just subscribe, please.